Today we are going to learn about AI and stock trading, making extra income. We will delve into the fascinating world of AI and its application in stock trading. You will understand the benefits of using AI for trading and how you can get started with AI trading. This knowledge will empower you to potentially generate an extra income stream. So, buckle up and let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines that mimic human intelligence. In the world of stock trading, AI is used to analyze vast amounts of data, make predictions, and execute trades. Unlike humans, AI trading systems can operate 24/7, make decisions based on data rather than emotions, and process information much faster. There are different types of AI trading systems, from simple ones that follow set rules, to advanced ones that use machine learning to adapt and improve. The use of AI in trading is becoming more popular, with various platforms now offering AI trading options. AI offers several benefits in trading. First is accuracy. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data and make precise predictions. Second is speed and efficiency. AI can execute trades faster than any human could. Third, AI eliminates the emotional aspect of trading, which often leads to poor decisions. Fourth, AI can help manage risk by analyzing potential outcomes and making informed decisions. Fifth, AI can process more data than a human could ever handle, making it ideal for analyzing complex markets. AI systems can also trade 24/7, and they can learn and adapt, improving their performance over time. To get started with AI trading, first, understand your trading needs and goals. Choose an AI trading platform that aligns with these. Start small, learn from your experience, and gradually increase your trading volume. Monitor your AI system regularly and adjust its parameters as needed. Remember, continual learning and improvement are key in AI trading. Make sure to manage your risk appropriately, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Finally, be aware of the legal and ethical considerations of AI trading. In conclusion, AI is transforming the world of stock trading. Its accuracy, speed, and ability to process vast amounts of data offer significant advantages. Getting started with AI trading involves understanding your needs, choosing the right platform, starting small, and continually learning and adapting. With proper management and a learning mindset, AI trading can potentially provide an extra income stream. As technology continues to evolve, the role of AI in trading is likely to grow even further.